it's Di with WTI. And here you can see I have Vaultz letter size file tote. For example, this is all tags. It goes to yellow. This is a lockable file tote. So you can see I haven't adjusted the codes yet because that's not the important thing for me. The important thing is that I have a place for all my important documents, which I all filed in a way that I know what is in a green folder, I know what is in which color. For example, if hurricane comes or something like that, I can just easily locate all my documents and I will know that, okay, this is the box that I want to take with me when I leave the house instead of finding stuff from my different drawers. So I just take this and then I have them all here. I have a place to keep all my documents in. It's not heavy, even when you have all your most important papers there. And it's very portable and it's easy to locate in need of escaping your home very fast. Let it be hurricane or house fire or something like that. Because of course you can get all those papers back, but it's not always so easy. You will prevent lots of unnecessary work from yourself. And that, of course, is just my point of view.